My name is Nelson Delmar. I am your host for today's episode of My Destination.
Today, we are going to visit the municipality of Tudela in the island of Camotes, known for their enchanting caves, waterfall pool, and their marine sanctuary. One easy way to get there is from Cebu City Pier 1 on board a fast craft, which takes approximately 2 hours to arrive at Poro Pier. From here, you can get to the beautiful municipality of Tudela in just 10 to 15 minutes on board a motor vehicle. Tudela is one of 4 municipalities in the Camotes Islands. These municipalities are spread across 3 major islands. On Poro Island are the municipalities of Poro and Tudela. Pasihan Island's sole municipality is San Francisco, while the municipality of Pilar is located in Ponson Island. Just like any other place in Cebu that has opened its doors to tourists, safety and health protocols should be followed in Tudela, such as the mandatory wearing of face masks.
This time, hinahinay ta og recover. Mao man say tumong utuyo sa provincial government o sa atong national government nga hinahinay ta mo recover, gi-save na to ang lives, but then ang livelihood gi-paapas na to, no, sa race. So life and livelihood gibalanse sa ato ang kagamhanan.
The main modes of transportation in the island are the habal-habal or the motorcycle taxi, tricycle or private multicabs for rent. There are also different accommodations to choose from, such as the Villa Alicia Resort in Barangay Calmante, which is known for their rustic bamboo cabin houses with a great overlooking view of the nearby beach. Their room prices range from 600 pesos to 1,200 pesos. There are several stories on the origin of the name Camotes, and one unverified tale connects it to the actual crop camote or cassava, which grows abundantly in the island. In fact, a delicacy that is unique to Tudela is their cassava cookies. Other popular dishes from the place are the inutok, or crab with shaved coconut, and the takla shrimp, which is traditionally cooked as a sweet and sour dish. Our first destination in Tudela was the historical Immaculate Conception Church, built in 1894, 2 years after the separation of Tudela from the municipality of Poro, which was originally a barangay. Another historical landmark on the church grounds is the kaompang tree, which is as old as the church. The tree was said to be used as a tying post for both the natives' boats and the boats of the Moro raiders, which invaded the island from time to time during the Spanish colonial period. The Immaculate Conception Institute at the side of the church is the only Catholic school in Camotes. This was established in 1964 and was headed by a Dutch priest named Father Joseph Wirtz. He was such a prominent figure in the place that the beach near the municipal center was named after him. We then proceeded to one of the most famous tourist spots in Tudela, the Busay Spring Pool of Barangay General. From the main road, we still had to trek the nearby forests and rivers for about 10 to 15 minutes to arrive at the famed spring pool, located at the receiving end of a waterfall.
We are here at the serene waters of the Busay Pool in the municipality of Tudela in Camotes. It is known for its cool, clean, and clear water.
An entrance fee of 5 pesos for children and 10 pesos for adults is collected at the place.
Ang Busay Falls or Busay Spring Pool, sikat kay siya sa mga tao, especially if ko-answer ka ng summertime, bitaw nga init kayo ang temperature, mo higit sila tungod sa kabugnaw sa tubig. It's really refreshing. Mo na nga, if init kayo sa ilaha, mo higit dayon sila sa Busay.
Another natural wonder of Camotes, Bukilat Cave is a very famous destination here in Tudela.
Kaning sa tubig sa cave, sir, mukhaan siya, muhunas, mutaob. So inugsulod sa salty water, kung parat nga tubig, musugat sa ding tabang nga tubig. So brackish na ni siya inugsulod. So muna siya nga bugnaw kayo ang tubig, o ganahan ka maligo. Nindot siya, kay na-acid siya special effect, healing effect sa ato ang body. Natay mga katol-katol or something bugat atong lawas, pwede ta muhumol, so ma-refresh yoga.
This enchanting cave is located in Barangay MacArthur, which is famous for its spacious area inside. The sun's rays, passing through the 7 big holes above, create a divine effect. As well as the altar-like stalagmite formations, gives visitors the feeling of being inside the church, which makes the cave a popular venue for different events.
Kad sa pag-discover aning cave ni Father Words, naani siya gihimo din nga wedding, bunyag din sa ilawom sa cave. So usagan niya ang akong asawa, gibunyagan na sa din sa cave 1979. Kanya daghan na sa imo sulod diri karon nga mag-prenup. Mas nindot ko na siya nga cave, hayag, lugar kayo, niya taas og ceiling.
Welcome to Bukilat Cave!
Well, it's very nice because it's lit, you know, by natural sunlight because of the holes in the rocks. So when you're in there and you see all the different stalagmites, and then all the bats, and the water is very crystal clear.
We then passed by the Villa Hermosa Marine Sanctuary area, the pride of Tudela locals, as this was awarded as the most outstanding marine sanctuary in 2010. Our next destination was the Bugaho Cave of Barangay Puerto Bello. On our way there, we walked through vast farmlands which grew camote, cassava, and corn, a first-time experience for me.
This is Bugaho Cave of Barangay Puerto Bello. This is for advanced thrill seekers. Let's go!
The Bugaho Cave is a very long and big cave system which has 3 large chambers connected by small passages, enough to fit a regular-sized person. So if you're claustrophobic, this cave might not be for you.
Usa sa mga tiguwa nga ako na interview diri, nakasulod sila sa langob sa mga milabay na nga mga katuigan, batan-on pa siya. Doon na sila nakita nga mga jar dinha nga naa sa sulod sa langob. Nya basta nindot na siya nga kanang porma sa langob na napagnan sila og suga kay ilang suga sa una kay kanang tungso pa kanang lukay gani niya. Nahutdan sila ato og kanang kayo, so napaw mga pila ka oras gid sila naglakaw. Una pa sila naka-discovery og sa tumoy nga bahin, dunay buho pud dinhi siya nga kanang gamay sad nga igura sad malotsan og tao. So dito sila nakaagi nga nagkuan gid sila nga kana siyang languba, di lang kay pilaran akong taas gid kaayo siya. So na-discover sad na ato pong pagkuan sa DNR, ila sad nagisulod dinha. So naa dito ang height sa langob nga pertig yung dako, mas dako pa siya sa Bukilat Cave.
Unfortunately, the cave is not yet open to tourists because there are no professionally trained guides yet as of the moment. but Tudela officials are already working on hiring trainers for future tourists or advanced spelunklers. Our next stop was the must-see George Park of Barangay Buena Vista. The centerpiece of the park is the biggest acacia tree in Camotes, which was named George by the barangay captain of the place. The enormous century-old tree is beautifully decorated with many lights to capture the attention and imagination of passers-by. The tree is said to be more than 100 years old and is believed to be inhabited by an agta, a mythical creature in the Philippines described as a supernatural giant.
Ang George Park, amo ning namugna, pero lang tuiga. So, ako ning buhatag istorya. So, dili gini siya ingon nga magini siya reality. So, sa una kong panahon, kining among acacia tree, kining among heritage tree namo, sa mga sugilanon sa mga karaan, doon na may mga tao sa una nga, doon na sila yung mga third eye. So, doon ay naka-testimony nga na sila nakita din sa mga acacia nga kahibulungan. So, meaning na ay mga lain nga mga tagalaing planeta nga nagpuyo din ng kasiyaha. So, to make it surprising, amo po sa ikapaabot sa uban pod, mao nga ako na lang sang nahunahunaan nga usa sa mga namuyo dinhi, ako na lang sa ginganlan og George kay mapuy abot sa akong hunahuna. So aron masabtan ninyo si George, ako nang ibunyag sa usa sa mga nagpuyo ning kasiyaha.
I am inviting everyone to come and visit Camotes Island, specifically the municipality of Tudela.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode of My Destination and that you'd experience for yourself the paradise that is Tudela. This has been Nelson Del Mar for My Destination.